Up umbrellas, up umbrellas, uh, up umbrellas when it is time to rain. Hello, my excellent learners. Today, I want to teach you the proper pronunciation of words with letter U. The sound This is the phonetic symbol. As in umbrella. Say it again. Umbrella, not umbrella. So other words that have this sound are, listen and pronounce them after me. Up. Get up from there. Bus. The school bus is coming. But I told you, but you wouldn't listen. Cut. Cut the onions with a knife. Cup. Can I have a cup of tea, please? Dug. It dug a pit on the ground. Dust. The dust is too much. Fun. It is fun to play. Sun. Ben shot a gun at the dog. Jug. I got the water from the jug. Sun. The sun is shining. So watch this video and repeat the pronunciation. Then share with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Once again, I am your excellent brain tutor. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.